Hey everyone, so I decided to come live really quickly. I am at Walmart. This is where my journey all started. Me coming to Walmart, purchasing healthy items. That's what got me started with my 112-pound weight loss journey. And I want everyone to know that I shop at Walmart, I shop at Kroger. In addition, I shop at Whole Foods. So each store has great products, and this is where my journey all started, literally at Walmart. Going into Walmart one day and picking out healthier alternatives. I had to cut fried chicken out of my diet as well, eating habits, and also just incorporate healthier options. And I did discuss earlier on the live in regards to proper nutrition. Proper nutrition means having a well-balanced meal that includes macronutrients as well as micronutrients. So you definitely need, for a well-balanced proper nutrition, you need to make sure you have a well-balanced macronutrients as well as well-balanced micronutrients. Now, micronutrients, they're minerals as well as vitamins. So you also need that, as well as macronutrients, which are fats, carbs, and protein. So I'm going to turn this around really quickly so you can see. Yes, I shop at Walmart. Like I said, I shop at Walmart. So I shop at Walmart, Kroger, as well as Whole Foods. And I'm going to go in here really quickly and purchase some items for the week, some healthy items. And I'll be doing another live when I do come out of Walmart to show you what I have purchased. Hope everyone's having a great day, and just stay tuned. Talk to you soon.